In this video, I'll show you how to delete a Facebook page. Now first, what you want to do is log into your Facebook page, not your personal account. You can do that by clicking up here and then select the Facebook page. Now from in here, you want to click on your name in the left side and then click on settings right here. Let it load for a little bit. Now, once you're on the settings page, what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you find access and control under your information. Now let's click on this and you will see it will give me the option to deactivate my page or to delete the page. Now the deactivate is only temporary, but deleting it is permanent. So if you want to delete it, you click on it, continue. Then it will give you the option to download your info or to transfer a copy. And if you're sure, you just press continue again, and then it's gonna ask you for the password. Now once you enter the password and press continue, it will actually delete the entire page and you cannot get it back. So before you do this, please make sure you're 100% certain that you want to delete it and not just deactivate it. So that's basically how you can delete your Facebook page. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.